All right, so we're going to show our virtual students what we did in our cabbage juice lab. If you're watching, go ahead and pause the video and write all these substances down in this order, so you can write down what color they change next. But go ahead and pause the video and write all these substances down. All right, so let's do some tests here. Baking soda. So I'm going to do my big sample here. I'm going to mix this up real good. And baking soda should have turned. What color did y'all get?
I got like a
Greenish blue.
Green.
Greenish blue. Ooh. Okay.
It's still white.
That's all the baking soda. This went down to the bottom. So that is a greenish blue. That is baking soda mixed in water. All right, next is lemon juice. All right, so we've got cabbage juice. We boiled a purple cabbage to use for our indicator to show if something's an acid or a base.
I got like
Yes. I love that.
so beautiful.
A pretty pink for lemon juice. Lemon juice was a pink, so you can write pink down under lemon juice.
Hey, that's weird because we think of a pink lemon.
Bleach.
There's no such thing as a pink lemon.
All right, so bleach. What color did y'all get?
Oh, weird green color.
Ew.
That was better.
So
Disgusting.
dark yellow.
Hey, look, it's the lemon juice.
All right, vinegar. What color did y'all get for vinegar?
I like pink.
A light pink.
I got like a.
All right, so let's.
I know. What?
That's pretty. I like it. It's a magenta.
Magenta.
It's turning
Fancy. Okay.
Ours kind of look like that.
I was like red. Mine's a dark.
All right, milk. Now, you may or may not see much of a change in milk. It may just turn purple with the cabbage juice mixing with it. Yeah, it's just kind of purple. Milk has lactic acid in it, and sometimes you can get a change, but usually it just mixes. So not much of a change there. Mountain Dew. What color did y'all's Mountain Dew turn?
Like a very light pink, like very
A
good.
very light pink. Let's see if I got enough. If I don't have enough cabbage juice, I'm gonna come get.
Yeah, like purple.
Oh,
That's like the
that's not what I
That's-
got.
Pour some more in
I
mine.
didn't get that.
These mine.
Mine's more purple.
I like the.
Let's see.
So beautiful.
That's what I got for Mountain Dew.
That's what I got.
Mine was a little
got-
bit.
Pinkish reddish color. All right. Running out of room.
You pour it, you see like lemon in the water.
Next is base.
What's next? Ooh, all these smells.
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid. I'm gonna need to make another cup for this.
Cause it's different.
Well, because I have it in a
Bottle.
just have it in a bottle. So we're just gonna squirt a little bit in the bottle. And so this is the HCl on the screen for our virtual students.
I got like.
We're just gonna take our pipette and put it, drop some in there, and you get a nice, pretty pink color. Okay? All right, so the next one we're gonna have to do the same way, the NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide.
Where's that from? Where's sodium hydroxide from?
I believe you'll find that in like soaps. I'll have to check myself, especially now that I'm on video.
So if we wash ourselves with cabbage juice and soap, it will turn pink.
Let's see.
I got like blue green.
Now, the cabbage juice is not changing the substance. It's just indicating to us, is this an acid or a base? So I got a blue,
Base.
That's what I got.
okay?
B is for blue and blue is for base.
And then finally we got water. What color did y'all get for water?
Light purple, dark
Like a-
purple.
Okay. Why is it just purple?
Because water doesn't have like, it's neutral, so it just turns the color of the substance.
Water is neutral. There's no acidity or it's not basic, it's not acidic, so it is neutral. All right, so you got all these colors. What, let's go, I don't have the question sheet. I'm gonna go over the question sheet here. I'll post this online for our, virtual. It says, what different colors did the cabbage juice have for the variety of substances you tested? Pink, purple, blue, green, yellow. Pink, purple, blue, green, and yellow. And if you look at your pinks, you can see that you had different shades of pink. So if we look like, if you look at lemon juice, it's really pink, and if you look at vinegar, it's a little bit different. And if you look at the Mountain Dew, it's even a little different than the vinegar. Why were the shades of the colors different?
Because depending if it was acid or base.
Okay, but let's look at lemon juice and vinegar. They're both acids.
The amount of acidity in it.
How strong it is, the amount of acidity, the amount of hydrogen ions, okay? The more hydrogen ions it has, the stronger it is. The less hydrogen ions it has, the weaker it is. So that's why the shades are different. If you looked at bleach against, what was another, baking soda, which one is, those are both bases, which one is stronger? Bleach or baking soda? Bleach is stronger. That's why that shade was more of a yellowish color than the greenish bluish color, because as you go, as you get more basic, it's going to get more yellow.
So what would milk be?
Milk is going to be almost neutral, but a little like maybe six point something,
So that's it.
slightly.
I thought that'd be a base.
All right, what pH range do the substances you tested have? So we don't know the exact pHs, but what is the range of the pH scale?
1 to 14.
1 to 14. Some you might see 0 to 14, but 0 or 1 to 14. What color change indicated an acid?
Red or pink.
Red or pink? And what color change indicated a base?
Pink or blue. I mean,
Blue.
Blue, green, or what did you even have with bleach? Yellow. Blue, green, or yellow? All right, so the pH range of acids. What is the pH range of acids?
1
1 to
to
6.
Okay. Well, what about between 6 and 7?
Well, yes, I like 1.
So could,
6.99.
okay, so let's just say below 7. Let's just say below 7. Acids are going to be below 7, so that means bases are going to be above 7. So I want you to take on number 7, I want you to write down every substance, and I want you to classify, do you think it's acid, base, or neutral? On number 7, you want to write down every substance you have and classify it as acid, base, or neutral. Remember, if it's acidic or if it's a stronger acid, the more hydrogen ions it has. If it's a base, it's less hydrogen ions and more hydroxide. That OH is that hydroxide. You're going to find that OH in bases. We're going to see this H plus more in acids.